Have you ever noticed that some men, despite being so calm, composed, and seemingly aloof, are able to command attention from women in ways that leave others perplexed? They don't beg, they don't chase, and they're not constantly seeking validation. In fact, the key to their success lies in an action that many men overlook: walking away. It sounds strange, right? How could walking away make women chase you? But trust me, there's a deep psychological reason behind this approach, and once you understand it, you'll see why it's one of the most magnetic and powerful tactics you can ever use. In this video, I'm going to reveal the hidden power of walking away, why it works so well, and how it can make women irresistibly attracted to you. Let's dive in. Number 1. Walking away creates emotional desire. One of the most profound truths about human nature is that we value what we cannot have. It's embedded in our psychology. When something is readily available, we tend to take it for granted. But the moment that something or someone becomes distant or hard to attain, desire intensifies. That's the magic of walking away. When you're consistently available, emotionally present, and always on our mind, everything feels too easy. But when you suddenly pull back, even for a short period of time, you introduce emotional distance, and it's this distance that sparks a powerful desire. She begins to notice the absence, wonder where you are, and ultimately realize how much she values your attention. Her mind starts racing. What happened? Why isn't he reaching out anymore? Is something wrong? In that absence, her curiosity grows. She starts to chase after you because you're no longer so easily available. You've triggered an emotional gap, one that only your presence can fill, and that's how you begin to shift the dynamic in your favor. When you walk away, you leave her emotionally invested in a way that few other things can. Number 2, it signals high self-worth and boundaries. There's a common misconception that men who play it cool or stay emotionally detached are somehow weak or non-committal, but nothing could be further from the truth. In fact, one of the most attractive traits you can possess is the ability to walk away with confidence. When you walk away, you're sending a message that says, "I'm not going to chase you, I'm fine on my own." This is incredibly powerful. Women are naturally drawn to men who value themselves enough to set boundaries. Walking away shows that you are not desperate for attention or validation. You are not emotionally needy, and that is one of the most attractive qualities you can have. When you walk away, it's a clear signal that you have a high sense of self-worth. You're not going to settle for anything less than what you deserve, and you certainly aren't going to invest emotionally in someone who doesn't appreciate your presence. Women find this confidence and self-assurance magnetic. It's a silent but powerful way of saying, "I know what I bring to the table, and I'm not afraid to walk away if you're not meeting me halfway." Number 3, walking away triggers the fear of loss. The fear of losing something is one of the most primal instincts we have. It's what drives us to hold on to relationships, to possessions, and to experiences that we value deeply. Fear of loss is a powerful emotional trigger, and it's often the catalyst that sparks a change in behavior. When you walk away from a woman or pull back from a relationship, you trigger that very fear. She begins to realize that she could lose you, and this realization can create a wave of emotions that she didn't anticipate. The moment she feels like she might lose something precious, it's like flipping a switch. Her mind starts working overtime to figure out what went wrong, how to fix it, and most importantly, how to get you back. This fear of losing you activates something deeper inside her, and suddenly, she's more motivated than ever to reach out, to reconnect, and to prove that she doesn't want to lose what she had with you. The emotional void that you've created by walking away becomes the catalyst for her chasing you. Number 4, walking away makes her realize your true value. Sometimes people don't appreciate what they have until it's gone. This is a universal truth, and it applies strongly in romantic relationships. When you walk away, even temporarily, you give her the chance to fully recognize your value in a way she might have overlooked before. By detaching yourself, you give her time to reflect on all the things that you brought into her life: the emotional support, the love, the comfort, and the attention. When you walk away, she's no longer taking your presence for granted. Instead, she's sitting with the realization that she might lose someone who was once a vital part of her life. This reflection process is incredibly powerful because it creates a longing, a need, and a sense of missed opportunity. She starts to look at the relationship with fresh eyes, seeing the qualities you brought to the table that she might not have fully appreciated before. In this space of absence, she recognizes that she doesn't want to lose you, and that's when the chase begins. Number 5. Walking away gives you control and power in the relationship. One of the most subtle yet important aspects of walking away is that it allows you to retain control and maintain power in the relationship. It's not about manipulation or playing games. It's about keeping your own emotional independence intact and not allowing yourself to be controlled by anyone, including her. When you give too much of yourself, emotionally or physically, you risk losing your own sense of power. But when you can walk away when things aren't right, or when you feel like you're being taken for granted, you are essentially reclaiming control over your emotions and the relationship dynamic. This sense of control is incredibly attractive because women are naturally drawn to men who are assertive, decisive, and independent. By walking away, you send a message that you're not desperate to please, and you're not willing to tolerate behavior that doesn't align with your values. In a world where emotional independence is rare, it's a sign that you stand strong in your own worth, and that strength makes you irresistible. Number 6. Walking away sparks a journey of self-discovery for her. Finally, walking away isn't just a statement about your self-worth. It can also serve as a powerful catalyst for growth and self-discovery for her. When you remove yourself from the equation, she's forced to evaluate the relationship and her own emotions in a deeper way. She begins to ask herself questions like, why did I take him for granted? Or what did I do wrong? This reflection can be a deeply transformative process for her as well, and it gives her the chance to better understand what she truly wants in a relationship and in you as a partner. In the absence of your presence, she will go on a journey of self-discovery, realizing what you brought to the relationship and, hopefully, becoming a better person because of it. It's this self-growth and reflection that makes her want to come back, knowing that she's ready to fight for something that was once precious to her. Now, you've got the secret to unlocking her deeper attraction, the hidden power of walking away. It's not about playing games or pretending to be something you're not. It's about understanding your worth, creating emotional space, and allowing her the chance to miss what she has. When you apply this strategy, you'll become the person she'll regret losing and chase to get back. Remember, you deserve someone who values you, and the right person will recognize your worth when you let them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any more relationship insights. Share this with someone who needs to hear this, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you've used this powerful approach in your own life. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more relationship wisdom that will help you build stronger, more fulfilling connections. Keep being your best self, and I'll see you in the next video.